Hi, my name is Kevin Nguyen. I'm a MINDDRIVE student and I'm a senior at North Kansas City High School. I'm doing pretty good during this quarantine. My family and friends are safe. I've contacted them. I am really just concerned about my fellow classmates and how they're doing. I think we'll be able to graduate fine, even if it's over video and we're holding up a poster or whatever that we graduated, but it is what it is. The people out there that are still working because they are forced to, I just hope they are able to stay safe, and like the nurses and the doctors, I hope they stay like as safe as possible as they can while trying to help out their patients. To the people that are constantly working through this pandemic, I want to show my appreciation by saying thank you. And I know that you guys have your own fears to catch this virus as well. And I'm really, really grateful for you guys to be able to constantly work through that fear. The first step is making sure this pandemic is dying down. It's like reaching the point where like no one is at a threatened level to be going outside, to playing at the park, to going to the store and not having the risk to take in such a disease. And so I think it's just the best option to play safe and to stay in quarantine as long as needed. I hope you guys are all doing fine. I hope you guys are able to stay in quarantine and stay patient with us. Make sure to wash your hands. If you're gonna go outside, make sure you got those gloves, you got those masks, you're not touching anything fishy. And just make sure your friends and family is staying safe and healthy as well.